Okay, I want to show you a different kind of question here. So I'll give you just a moment to take a look at the screen. This question we're doing over here. So notice we've got a point minus 4, 5, a gradient, which is minus 3. So I've tried to draw a steep line going down. And we're told to find a mystery coordinate so that the distance between them, the hypotenuse, is 2 root 10. So I want you to show you what we've done for this one here. So the gradient of minus 3 means that if you go 1 to the right, you go 3 times more that, and you go down. So you can extend this idea to algebra. So if this is x, this is minus 3x, and these are the short sides of a hypotenuse, which has been given to you, which is 2 root 10. So we can use ratio and we can say, well, this is x to the right and 3x down, and the hypotenuse is 2 root 10. And we can link this all together with an equation. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And look, we end up with x squared equals 4. So let's try and interpret where this is going. So x is this distance that you move horizontally from A. And you notice that I seem to get 2 solutions if we solve it like a normal quadratic. So why is that? Well, it says that there are 2 possible coordinates. Interestingly, I kind of went to the right as a bias, but really it could have gone up here, couldn't it? The point could have been up here. So there's sort of like 2 choices. B could have been there, or B could be there. So you can go 2 to the right. If you go 2 to the right, how far should you go down? Have a think about it. So you should go 6 down. Or I could go 2 to the left. If I go 2 to the left, where would I go? I'd go 6 up. So the coordinates that I could have, minus 4 becomes minus 2. 5 becomes minus 1. So this is the first option. This option, minus 6. 6 up, 11 is another option. Okay, so I want you to pause for a moment. Use this as an example. This is a popular question sometimes. I like this one at A level. And have a go with the one on the right hand side. So see if you can use the same sort of approach with Pythagoras to answer that one there. Okay, so I'm going to assume you've had a go. So quick sketch to get a handle of what's going on. 3, 5 could be there. Minus 2 means the line's going down, something like that. And we want the hypotenuse to be 6 root 5. So a gradient of minus 2 means that if that distance is x, this distance, okay, I know it is minus 2x, you can write that if you like. I'm just going to write 2x. Okay, that the y distance is twice as much. And it's supposed to create a hypotenuse that's 6 root 5. So we put it all together. X squared plus 2x all squared should be equal to 6 root 5 all squared. So that is 5. X squared should be equal to 36 times 5, which is 180. X squared should be equal to 36. And look, we've got a very similar thing happening again. So you can go to the right by 6. If you go to the right by 6, you'll go down by 12. Or you can go to the left by 6 and you'll go up by 12. So what will my final answers be? So they could be 9. And what did we say? Double down. So that would be minus 7. We could go left by 6, so that would be minus 3. Double up, so that would be 17. Okay, so just sort of a more unusual question there that occasionally likes to creep up at A level. Okay, I think we'll pause this one here and then we'll do the modeling one separately.